So guys, Ola Tony here. Welcome to another banger video. So guys, I want to share with you a beautiful strategy and very effective one. It's called the Divergence. I know maybe some of you have heard about it somewhere or on YouTube, or you're just curious about it, or you really have no idea about it. I'm going to give you guys a simple strategy on how to give you guys on how to spot divergence. So let's quickly dive into the video. So I'm on the Euro USD. And on the 15-minute time frame. So this strategy works better on longer time frames. The minimum time frame you could go with this strategy is the 15-minute. So 1 hour, 30 minutes, 4 hours daily are very powerful. 15 minutes too is also good. I'll show you guys practically now. So divergence basically means the price indifference between the market and the indicator. You can use different indicators. You can use the RSI, you can use the stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator, that's what we're using here. You can use the MACD. There are still other ones you can use. You can still use some moving average. Yes, you can tweak the settings. So that is that about that. So but for this strategy, we're using the stochastic oscillator. I'm going to show you guys because I'm going to show you guys the settings, because we changed the settings from the default. You get. So let me just quickly show you guys that. So stochastic oscillator. So our period, I think the default is 14. I think this one is 1 and 3. So change it to, so we change the K period to 20, D period to 3, slowing 3. So that is that about that. That's only what we are changing. Then done. So let's get right into the video. So let me spot an example. See a divergence right in front of our eyes. We can spot an indifference here. We can see from here the price is moving up. It's moving up. It's bullish. But from our stochastic oscillator, it's telling us that price is going bearish. You guys can see this. So this is a divergence. This is a divergence. You can see how the price fell. So in this kind of scenario, I advise you to set your stop loss above this candle rejection, this weak rejection. So that is it. We saw how price fell down. So let's look for more examples. Let's look for more. Yeah, I spotted another one. You can see from our indicator, it's telling us that the market is bearish. Market is going bearish, but from the chart, our market is telling us that it's bullish. So we can see, I think it's from here. We can see. So we can see the difference. It fell. Let's look for more. Let's look for a bullish example. Okay, I found one. Got it. You can see here, price is going down, but our indicator is telling us it's going up. Can you see this? It's telling us it's going up. This trade, it came but reverses again. and it's still a divergence here. So sometimes I will advise you, it just depends on what risk management you're using and how far you understand the market. Most times I'll advise you not to take the first signal. I'll advise you to wait for a retest, because when you see a retest like what just played out here, the divergence came but didn't turn out well, then it came again. So this is the right time for you to enter big. You guys get what I'm saying? So let me show you. Let me draw the trend lines so we can see. So this is it. This is it. So this is the first divergence, which came but didn't go well. Then this is the second one. 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 And don't mind my trend lines. You guys understand what I'm trying to say. You can see them. So this is it. Then this is the second one here. So you can see went to the upside. Boom. Let's look for one more example, then we're done. What is another one? You can see how cool and sweet this is. You can see here. You can see here. You can see here. See, easy profit, smart and cool. So guys, I created this channel to help forex traders become more profitable and become better. So I made it as a point of contact to release videos frequently. I'll be more frequent than I could be, so I could teach you guys a lot of things on how we can be ahead of the market, the brokers, the banks, and any other manipulation that will occur in the market. So that's it for today. Bye for now.